Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in Alight Motion. All I have to do is just follow my steps until the end, and let's begin the tutorial. Alright, and so the first step here I'm going to do, I'll go and open my Instagram app, as you can see over here. And then once opening Instagram, I'm going to click on the search bar, and then I'll go to any account that has these QR codes. For example, this one here, which is alight.motion.qr code. Alright, and so from here, for example, I'm going to choose this one, right? And then I'll take a screenshot. Once so, I'll go back, and then from here I'll go down, and then I'm gonna open my QR scanner. As you can see over here, for some phones you need to download the application, for some are not. In my case, I don't need to download it. I just click on the scan QR code over here, and then I'll choose the gallery option, and I'll choose the screenshot that I made. So once I click on it, I'm just gonna put the QR over here and choose done. Give it a few seconds and the QR being scanned. And as you can see over here, I got the link. I can just click on it, or I can copy the link, or you can do whatever you want. So just click on the link over here and it will open for me this page on Google. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.